We're seeing Servy the robot deliver an order for takeout.
Employees at the wing factory in Buckhead have a new coworker.
Staff is really enjoying it.
Servy, the robot, is pretty popular and efficient.
He's pretty cool. You know, he rolls around to the different tables, helps us out.
The owner here says they launched this robot on Tuesday, and it's already done about 1,000 trips. That's 30,000 feet, which for a server would be about 12,000 steps.
With Super Bowl Sunday being the restaurant's busiest day of the year, owner Michael Giovanni says the extra set of hands, well, in this case wheels, will come in handy.
We're hoping tomorrow for Super Bowl that it will help take the load off of, us being really busy and understaffed. Where we would have 3 or 4 or 5 servers on a shift, we now have 2 or 3. And so if we can help them shorten their steps back and forth to the kitchen, they can spend more time with the guests.
Giovanni says hiring people to fill open positions has been a huge challenge over the past year. On top of staffing shortages, there's rising food costs.
Chicken wings have been at an all-time high price for well over a year. Chicken breast and chicken tenders have just followed.
Whether you're shopping for the perfect Super Bowl spread or just picking up groceries for the week, you're probably noticing the steep prices too.
Lower inventories, lower quantities. It's the inflation. Everything's more expensive. Dollars more.
Once again, that's where automation comes in and why restaurants across the country are turning to helpers like Servy here.
If we can save on labor with the robot, that, we can help absorb some of those food costs.
Loving that robot. Channel 2's Christian Jennings joining us now live in Buckhead tonight. Christian, the owner told you there staffing issues have been going on for so long, he had to think outside the box.
Exactly, and here's the perfect example he gave me. He said for a recent position he was trying to fill, he had 52 applicants, okay, mostly online. He contacted all of them. Only 2 got back to him to come in for an interview. 1 didn't work out. The other he actually hired, but the person never showed up for work. So that's why he turned to the robot, who, by the way, is pretty cool, and it's working out well.
It's a serious devotion to getting the job done and to chicken wings. Thank you, Christian.